Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Technologies. Today we're going to talk about our automatic overflow on our cabinet and whether that's something you should be concerned with, interested in, however you want to look at that. Automatic overflow, and I'll show you on this cabinet beside me here in just a minute. The Weekend Warrior, our 700, they have a manual overflow. When you're through blasting, you have to wait 2 minutes to let your media settle back down to the bottom of the machine. Then you're going to have to come over here and open this valve, drain your excess water off, close it back, and go back to blasting. The problem that we have, if you're the only one using the machine, you're perfectly fine with that. If other people are going to be using your machine, that's where we run into an issue because they forget to drain it. They're in a hurry, they run from one thing to another. It's 8:40 here in the morning. Nobody's in the showroom except us, and I guarantee you this machine was used yesterday and it probably has never been drained, right? So the last time the machine was used, it was never drained. The water is just going to keep building up. The next person walks in, they're going to start blasting. We're going to let that run for just a minute. And we'll show you over here on the 800 base model. This one actually has the automatic overflow, and the automatic overflow works. There's a timer inside the box. So once you take your foot off of the pedal, the timer is going to count down about 180 seconds, allowing the media to settle, and then it will automatically open and drain. Another way that you can drain it is actually turn the switch off. And as you can see, there's no water coming out of this at this point in time because it has automatically drained. Turning the switch off is not a great idea because if you turn it off before the 2 minutes, your media hasn't settled and it hasn't drained. Our manual valve over here is still draining, as you can see. Once that drains completely out, we'll close it back off and that machine will be ready for blasting again. But that's a quick overview of the difference between an automatic overflow and a manual overflow. Just depends on how many people are going to be using your machine. If you have any questions, give me a call, 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.